Hello, this is my RGD 702 of 1933. After extensive work in terms of replacement of capacitors and resistors and numerous other jobs, the mains transformer has been totally rewound, and I'll just demonstrate what we can get out of it. There are some more valves needed, which I've got to try and find. The VMS4 in particular is very crackly. Thankfully and surprisingly, the dial lights were still working. The bulbs in there look pretty old, and they still work. Tone control works well without noise. Volume control is okay. Medium wave is very insensitive. Late at night you can get some stations on there, but it's too weak at the moment. Long wave, not particularly good. As I say, plenty more work needs to be done. Obviously Radio 4 is pretty good. It's good to get it working again after so long. I've got a PX4 in the output stage at the moment. Was deemed to be more expendable than a PP3 250, which I've got safely stored until it's finally finished.